Baby Farm Animals. Chicks by Anastasia Suen. Read to you by Miss Z, preschool teacher. Look for these words and pictures as you read. Down, claws, beak, wing. Have you ever seen a chick? A chick is a baby chicken. It grows inside an egg. Look at the chick's claws. 3 toes are long. 1 toe is short. Look at the down. These feathers are short. They are soft. The chicks are 1 week old. New feathers grow. Look at the chick's wing. It has long feathers. It can fly. Look at the chick's beak. It is sharp. It catches bugs. Chicks grow up. Male chicks will be roosters. Female chicks will be hens. Did you find down, claws, beak, wing? The end. I hope you've enjoyed this book. See you next time.